you heard Satya and Jared talk about this new category called Connected Workplace. We think it's an important space for Microsoft and others to invest in because in this hybrid environment, many of us are asking, is it worth coming into the office? We know that leaders want teams to spend at least part of their time in person. They see real value in those serendipitous connections that happen when folks are together in person, especially for new employees and newly formed teams. But many of us have great setups at home with the right equipment and environments to really stay productive. We don't want to waste our time commuting if the office experience actually takes away from our productivity. Can we make coming to the office really worth it? We absolutely can. As part of our Connected Workplace vision, we're investing in a new solution called Microsoft Places. Let's talk about what this can do for your teams and your business. According to our Work Trend Index data, over 65% of employees crave more in-person time with their teammates. But right now, it's hard to know when to come into the office. You don't want to get all dressed up and make that long commute to the office only to find out that none of your teammates are actually there. With Microsoft Places, people can get a clear view of when colleagues are coming into the office, so everyone can plan schedules accordingly. Once in the office, teams need modern workspaces that have evolved for today's work styles. If they need to plan a meeting, Intelligent Room Schedule helps out by suggesting which rooms have the right number of seats and the necessary technology for the mix of meeting participants, virtual and in person. It's all about helping teams make the most of your time together and make coming to the office worth it. Microsoft Places also addresses the growing challenge for businesses in this hybrid world, space planning. Today, it's very difficult to get a full view of how offices and conference rooms are being used. Without this data, real estate planners resort to making educated guesses about the spaces they do or don't need. We can reduce that guesswork by providing an easy way to see space utilization trends. Here you can see data on how the office spaces, desks, and rooms are being used. You can view data for specific buildings or all-up trends across your enterprise. Potential issues are automatically flagged for me, so I can drill in and see what's going on and decide how I want to handle it. For example, I see here that Wednesdays are the busiest in-office days, and most of our focus rooms are overbooked on these days. We'll want to do something about this. Or I may find that certain floors within a building are generally underutilized, so we may be able to shut down those areas. With these kind of insights, companies can reduce operational costs while improving the flexibility of their real estate portfolio. And of course, all this data collection adheres to the highest privacy standards. Users will understand what data is collected and be able to opt in and opt out, and information will be anonymized to show trends without singling out individuals. With Microsoft Places, we can make your offices more flexible and attuned to the needs of modern work. And in doing so, we can make coming to the office worth it. But what can we do today? Well, you can start with one of the most important workspaces in every organization's, the conference room. The reality is most organizations have yet to prepare their meeting spaces for the new ways of work. In fact, fewer than 8% of the estimated 90 million conference rooms around the world are video enabled. Today's teams need conference rooms built for hybrid. Spaces designed for in-person and remote participants to interact face-to-face as if they're in the same room. That's the promise of Signature Teams Room.